Welcome to North Creek Villas Condominiums. The pictures will show you a spacious and comfortable 2-bedroom condo, freshly painted with recent carpet, new refrigerator, and updated bathroom. The rent for this unit includes water and gas for cooking and heating. Your electric utility cost is modest, under $100 for most months. There is one guaranteed parking spot and 2 additional spots. What makes this special is that North Creek Villas is one of the best kept secrets for locations to live in Montgomery County. You can walk to Rock Creek Village Shopping Center with its upgraded Safeway, CVS, and several great restaurants, banks, beauty and hair services. You also walked just 100 yards and you are on the bike path in Rock Creek Park, going all the way to the Jefferson Memorial. Just walk 10 minutes to a bus that takes 12 minutes to the Rockville Metro Stop.